parked or in the cabbage. Gonna try Keystone today because visibility will probably be poor, and so we can stay a little bit lower in the trees. Got here just a few minutes before the lift opened, but definitely not first chair. Check out this line. Gondola is not running only the Summit Express. They're running the Summit Express lift slow due to the winds. All right, you guys stoked or what?
Oh yeah! Woo!
Hey.
First powder day, baby! I can't even see anything!
Yes. Martin Luther King Day, holiday, powder day. Get out of here. Those trees on Frenchman were awesome. Good day at Keystone.